learning about animals. Hi, what animal am I? My cat sways left and right. Very funny. I can fly, walk, and swim. I'm spawning at dawn, but I'm too lazy to incubate mine. Yes, that's right, I'm a duck. Hi, what animal am I? I am a pink bird. The beauty of my fur amazed many people. My other name is Firebird. My neck is long and slender. I have the same responsibilities as my partner. My stud builds a nest for my egg, and we take turns incubating until hatch. Yes, that's right, I'm a flamingo. Hi, what animal am I? I am a racing animal. I don't have a tooth in the middle of my mouth. I can't breathe through my mouth, but I can sleep standing up, and I run really fast. Yes, that's right, I'm a horse. Hi, what animal am I? I'm a bird that is often associated with various myths and magical worlds. I'm known to be active at night, although not everything is like that. I never build a nest. I use nests or tree cavities left by other birds. Yes, that's right, I'm an owl. Hi, what animal am I? I'm the biggest cat in the world. I'm a hunting animal that forages alone at night. I like water, and I'm good at swimming. When the weather is hot, I love bathing to lower my body temperature. Yes, that's right, I'm a tiger. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.